Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video clip, I will show you how you can very easily and very quickly update the Instagram app on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes. Also write comments under this video and let's get started. And so friends, first of all you will need to open an app called App Store on your iPhone. If you can't find this app on your desktop, then you can easily find it by swiping down from the top of the screen. Next, in the search box, you will need to type in the word app. And you will easily see that you get the App Store app at the top. Open it up. Next, go to search and type in the word Instagram. Click search and go to Instagram in the App Store. And as you can see, like me, you'll have the word update. Just click on it. And right away, you'll have your Instagram update going. It may take a little bit of time. I have it written that it takes 1 minute. And after that, the app will be updated. And you can also see that this app is being updated right on your desktop because there will be like a clock mechanism on the app that will just decrease. And when this app is updated, it will look just like it did before. This way, friends, you can easily update the Instagram app on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.